Next up, the Golden Victus you'll find inside of the central station on the far northeast side of Vondel. All we need to do is head towards this central section here and find our way inside. You don't even need a key for this, so we can go straight in. Obviously, there'll be tons and tons of AI in the area, not to mention probably players as well. This is a very hot location. I'd recommend using the UAV nearby just to gauge your surroundings. Now, when you get to this central part of the station here, simply head inside, and we need to get onto this little ticket booth right at the entrance here. So to do this, the easiest way is to get up to the second floor, probably on the left here, but there are many entrances upstairs, and once we're upstairs here, we should be able to just jump across and grab them. Obviously, once again, this is very hot, but these aren't difficult bots at all. It's a bit of a difficult jump, but once you make it, you can simply grab the Golden Victus XMR. Sweet, there we go. Very simple. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.